Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With black headlamp bezel finish, gloss black Jeep badging, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, black daylight opening moldings, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, only 32,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, ParkSense rear park assist with stop, a power sunroof, a power liftgate, all powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3269A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.